With the GOP Web Connect Plus or Premium Plan website, you can create a calendar of events. Any upcoming events will be displayed in the right sidebar, as well as on your events page. Events that are already in the past will no longer show up automatically without you having to delete them. To create a new event, go to the Site Admin menu and click the Add New Content link. Then choose Event from your list of content types. An event is similar to a page or blog post in that it has a title and a body, but it also has some fields that are unique to events. Let's give our event a title and then take a closer look at the date and location. A date has two components, a from date and a to date. The from date is required and contains the date and time at which your event begins. Make sure to fill in all the values, including whether it's AM or PM. The to date is optional. This is the date and time at which the event ends. If it is a multi-day event, you can fill in the date fields as well as the time. If it ends at a particular time on the same day as it started, you can leave the month, day, and year fields blank and only fill in the hour and minute and whether it is AM or PM. Next, we move on to location. The name of our event's location is the only required field in this group, but the address fields will help your website automatically generate a Google Map link for your event so that users can see exactly where it is. For our meeting, we'll set it to meet at one of our local libraries. And we'll add in the address. For some addresses, such as brand new roads or very rural areas, Google Maps doesn't do a very good job of creating a map. If you have a URL for a correct map, you can enter it in the Map Override link field, and it will override the automatically generated Google Map. Sometimes you won't want a map at all. For instance, if your location is to be announced, or if it is a phone conference, or maybe there is no valid map online and you prefer to just give directions in the body section, you can select the Hide Map Link checkbox. Now we come to our body section, which is just like any other page or blog post. We can include links, photos, and text formatting. Scrolling down further, we see all of the familiar options. Comment settings for events are set to disabled by default, but if you would like to allow visitors to leave comments, you can set it to read-write. Let's preview our event. The most important thing to check is that our map link generates a correct map. Google Maps isn't perfect, so always click the map link and make sure it's pointing to an accurate location. And our map looks correct. Finally, remember to click Save so that our event is displayed in our sidebar and on our events page. To edit an event, go to the Events page and click on the name of the event you wish to change. Then click the Edit tab, just like on any page or blog post. Alternatively, you can go to the Site Admin menu and click the Edit Content link. If you have a lot of content, you can view just the events by choosing the Type radio button, selecting Event, and clicking the Filter button. Then click Edit next to the event you wish to edit. From there, it should all look familiar.